I'm here at the Grand TV9 Festival of India being celebrated at Major Dhyanchand Stadium. Look around, the entire venue is glowing with colors, lights and festive spirit. And the amount of love that this festival has received has made it even more bigger and brighter. Also, we are here in Delhi, but it feels like we are in mini India because at TV9 Festival of India, we have a mixture of culture and traditions from different states along with some international flavor as well. Stay tuned as I show you what's special here at TV9 Festival of India. Adding to the festive flavor are different cultural performances. And here at TV9 Festival of India, we have dance and music performances from different states of India that is bringing alive the rich culture and tradition of India. How is your experience here at TV9 Festival of India?
I think it's very good. It's nicely organized and good to see that, a lot of people are more interested to look at different variations of products and services which are being rented out here, and a lot of people don't know much about it. But I think it's a one-stop shop for for everything which people can actually look forward to
This is the third time I'm here, and I really wait for this event every year because it's I think one of the best Durga Pujas that happen in Delhi. So this time it's on a bigger scale, and like always the experience is absolutely great. So the best part about this entire program is that you have the Durga Puja on one side, you have the cultural festival, you have the stalls. So it's very well organized.
Stalls are very well organized, a lot of things to display, very good experience, lot of variety to eat also, और बहुत कुछ जानने का मौका मिला.
I am also enjoying. It's a diversity of our Indian culture. You can come here and just look around. So many things, and it's a festival time, so you must come and enjoy this event.
Yeah, it's good. It's a Durga Puja time, festival times, and I think the decoration is absolutely apt to this occasion. It's really good.
This section of TV9 Festival of India will surely grab your attention. Look around, we have multiple games that will surely keep you, your family and especially your kids engaged and entertained. Here we have roller ball, tunnel ball, shooting. That is multiple games here at TV9 Festival of India. So whether it's about shopping, it's about culture, it's about ritual, TV9 Festival of India is not just an event, but it's an entire experience that is going to be a memorable part of your life.